Hi, I'm Ambara. In today's video I will be showing you how to make a secret message card in which all the secret messages are hidden inside it. So for that I have taken a card sheet of size 20 cm by 16 cm, and the step number 1 is dividing the 20 cm side into 4 equal parts of 5 cm. So divide 20 cm sides, both of the two sides, into 5 cm of each side, and then you need to fold along that line. So take a scale, connect the both points and fold it. Again, take it from opposite side and fold it to the middle. Now you need to divide this 16 cm into 4 parts of 4 cm. So I have divided and cut it into 4 parts, only the middle portion. Only the middle portion you have to cut with using cutter. Now I have 2 strips of paper of size 5 cm by 16 cm. You need to add this into the card in such a way that it will look like chessboard. So go in opposite way of the previous one side up and one side down. You have to go opposite of the previous one. You have to do opposite of the previous one. Now the card is partly ready. Fold it like I'm doing. Now here we have a secret message card which looks like a simple one, but nobody knows it's open second time and secret messages are written inside. Right here. Let me show you for one more time. Divide the 16 cm into 4 equal parts of 4 cm and cut it using scissor or cutter. It will be convenient to use a cutter instead of scissor. Just cut the middle portion, not the entire card. Then take 2 strips of 5 cm by 16 cm and add it into the card. Add it from one side up and one side down. And with the remaining strip we are going to add this beside the previous one. Just add it in opposite way. The white sheet of the beside is from upside, then take this from down, again up, and make it like a chessboard. Fold it into center. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you will be able to see more such videos. Please subscribe. Please give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Let's go to the decoration part. For the decoration part, I will be using paper pack which I brought online from Amazon at cost 309 rupees. So here I will be using some sticker from the paper pack. Stick the sticker onto the card. I've drawn an image on this. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like.
And Happy New Year!